There's going to be a little bit of a change this year.
Oh shit.
Hey everybody, Rob Farrow, ATV here. As you can see, we still got quite a bit of snow here. It's 2nd of April and we're getting ready for the riding season. There's going to be a little bit of a change this year due to some health issues. I've switched her up a bit, so I hope you still tune in. And that's the change. So there's the old XMR 850, and here's the old new, the 2014. Bought her used, cleaned her all up, went over everything. This is a Maverick 1000 XMR R 2014. Taking her all apart, cleaned her all up, added a few things. This is going to be my new ride. A little easier on the back. Nice cushy bucket seats. Just getting her all set up for a ride tomorrow. It has a roof stereo. It's quite the system. Big heavy duty roof. LED lights on the front. It's got one LED light on the back for reversing. This model year has the air suspension on it. Put a brand new 5,000 pound winch on the front. Stirred her up. Alright, so this is going to be our first little ride with this thing. Just going to do a quick ride, make sure everything's good. Since I tore everything apart and looked at it, I know there's a couple issues that will need to be taken care of in the future, but right now, hopefully she's good. This is my co-pilot, XMR Odie. So she should be in a bunch of the videos. I have to figure out how to use all these things here. DPS max, DPS minimum, medium. Alright, so let's see if we can hook up this Pro roof. It's got a JVC stereo, 4 speakers and a subwoofer and a power. Kind of interesting roof. It's got a light. These are the controls for the LED lights. Bluetooth audio. There we go. I don't know if you can see them. We got flashy little lights on these things. Apparently we can get an app off the site and control these lights. We'll do a little flashy light show. Anyways, that's how that works. Okay, off. So far, so good. Knock on wood. I need the mirrors though, but they're not supposed to come in till Monday. They'll be up here and you can see backwards and unfortunately we still got quite a bit of snow. Okay, let's try 4 low. Okay, you can air down. Change it to the front, air down a bit. Shows you the ticks there. Back to the rear. Pump it up. And I'm not sure how to get rid of that off the screen. I have to read up how to get rid of that off the screen there. A little bit of protection from the half screen there, about to here. Alright, that seemed to be a successful test. Right on. So we're gonna have our first ride tomorrow. And hopefully there's not too much snow down. We're going heading south of town, so might be a little less snow, hopefully. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're staying tuned to this new adventure.